There's some basic facts that you need to know about the normal curve. First of all, and this pops up all over the place, the area under the normal curve is 1. That means the probability under the normal curve is also 1, or the total percentage of observations represented under the normal curve is 100% or 1. The top of the peak is above the point on the x-axis that represents the mean. The horizontal axis represents the independent variable, which will be either, as a rule, x or z, and what we are measuring are how many standard deviations above or below the mean the point is. The normal curve goes from negative infinity to positive infinity. Z equals the value minus the mean all over the standard deviation. So when z is 0, the value is the same as the mean. Capital N parentheses mu comma sigma means the distribution is normal or approximately normal, and it has a mean of mu with a standard deviation of sigma. The standard normal curve would then be capital N 0, 1. Now let's do a problem. 5.1 number 3. Number 3 has a picture, and then it tells you that the area between z equals negative 0.8 and z equals 1.4 under the standard normal curve is what? So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the TI, and we're going to press the second button and the VARS button. The VARS button is right there below the arrows, and what we want is this normal CDF number 2. So you can either press 2 or you can arrow down and press enter when you're in front of normal CDF. The command line is the lower limit, which in this case is negative infinity, but most of you would tell me there's no infinity on the TI, so what we use is as small a number as possible. So we use second, back up, don't do that. Do negative, not minus, but negative. Now do second, comma, which is EE. And it pastes a capital E on the screen. Don't use any other E that you might find on the TI. 99, comma, well, I don't know what problem you're doing. I hope you're doing the right problem, but I'm doing the wrong problem. Because what we're doing is negative 0.8 to 1.4. So we want a negative 0.8 there, comma, 1.4, comma, so it's the lower limit to the upper limit, and then we want the mean, which this is a standard normal curve, so it's going to be 0, comma, 1, and you can close your parentheses or not. And so enter. And then they wanted us to round to 4 decimal places, so it would be 0.7074. Now let's try the next one. And the next one, they only do the picture this time, and they want to know what the probability is. And so the value on the z-axis is negative 0.58. So we're going to press second, VARS, number 2, normal CDF. And then we're going to put in, this time we're going from negative infinity up to negative 0.58. So we're going to do negative, and here's where we're going to use the second comma, which is EE, which gives us E. This is scientific notation. So 99, it's as large as exponent as we can use, comma, up to negative 0.58, comma, still a standard normal curve, so we're going to do 0, comma, 1, close your parentheses. Enter, round to 4 decimal places, so 0.2810. You can get by without entering the 0 and the 1 when you're working with the standard normal curve.